Roger, after 5 on, but for the Netherlands after 5 on, we prefer to switch to the frequency 126.675. Please do so 126.675. Roger, after 5 on, but for the Netherlands after 5 on, we prefer to switch to the frequency 126.675. Please do so 126.675.
Kilo 1, Diana 1 is on uniform at 387.175. Kilo 1, Diana 1 is on uniform at 387.175.
Approach good. Afternoon, over airport 184, leveling off 2,000 feet, and right turn downwind.
Delta Airport 184, radar contact.
Rotterdam approach, Delta Airport 51. Rotterdam approach good. Afternoon, over airport 184, leveling off 2,000 feet, and right turn downwind.
Delta Airport 184, radar contact.
Rotterdam approach, Delta Airport 51.
Diamond formation, Kilo 1, say positive from the target.
Sorry, say again for the information.
A diamond formation, Kilo 1, say positive from the target if possible.
It's not possible from Rotterdam, it's 31090 miles, squawking 3621.
Kilo 1.
Our information, I'm sorry, it's impossible to understand your message, say again.
Harvard formation, disregard.
Disregarding, our information.
Diana, Redskins.
Redskin, Diana, go ahead.
Redskins leaving holding area, inbound IP.
Roger. Diamond formation, Kilo 1, say positive from the target.
Sorry, say again for the information.
A diamond formation, Kilo 1, say positive from the target if possible.
It's not possible from Rotterdam, it's 31090 miles, squawking 3621.
Kilo 1.
Our information, I'm sorry, it's impossible to understand your message, say again.
Harvard formation, disregard.
Disregarding, our information.
Diana, Redskins.
Redskin, Diana, go ahead.
Redskins leaving holding area, inbound IP.
Roger.
Do you have the regional QNH for the 49?
Well, all aircraft are flying on Rotterdam to make 1023.
Copy, 23. Rotterdam, goedemiddag, Diamond formation, aspect.
Information, go.
Yeah, 1023 set,
Down to display.
from radio 31019 miles. Do you have the regional QNH for the 49?
Well, all aircraft are flying on Rotterdam to make 1023.
Copy, 23. Rotterdam, goedemiddag, Diamond formation, aspect.
Information, go.
Yeah, 1023 set,
Down to display.
from radio 31019 miles. Rotterdam, the Diamond formation is leaving to C2.
Roger, frequency change route, okay.
Rotterdam approach, Delta Airport 51. We're proceeding back via Hoek van Holland to Eindhoven Viva.
Rotterdam, the Diamond formation is leaving to C2.
Roger, frequency change route, okay.
Rotterdam approach, Delta Airport 51. We're proceeding back via Hoek van Holland to Eindhoven Viva.
And what is calling on the frequency, say again?
Rotterdam approach, Diana 3 flight is on your frequency.
Your call sign is unreadable, say again, please.
Diana 3, flight of 3 F-16s.
Diana 3, that's copy, go ahead, sir.
We are on your frequency for the flyby.
Roger, Diana 3, proceed to the holding area, and what is your altitude?
Diana 3 is close to 1200 feet positioning inbound to holding.
Roger, and mind other traffic over there.
Rotterdam approach, Razor 2000 feet, proceeding to holding.
Razor, Roger, and 2000 to the holding area, mind other traffic.
Razor.
Rotterdam approach, Diana 1 to climb flight level 40 in the holding.
And what is calling on the frequency, say again?
Rotterdam approach, Diana 3 flight is on your frequency.
Your call sign is unreadable, say again, please.
Diana 3, flight of 3 F-16s.
Diana 3, that's copy, go ahead, sir.
We are on your frequency for the flyby.
Roger, Diana 3, proceed to the holding area, and what is your altitude?
Diana 3 is close to 1200 feet positioning inbound to holding.
Roger, and mind other traffic over there.
approach, Racer 2000 feet, proceeding to holding.
Racer, Roger, and 2000 to the holding area, mind other traffic.
Racer. Rotterdam approach, Diana 1 to climb flight level 40 in holding.
Time, Mexico.
Rotterdam approach, that's Diana formation. It's a flight of 2 at the moment. We'll join to a formation of 6.
Diana formation, Roger, and you're squawking at this moment?
3632 inbound holding.
Roger.
Police just request to right turn westbound.
Yeah, that is approved. Time, Mexico.
Rotterdam approach, that's Diana formation. It's a flight of 2 at the moment. We'll join to a formation of 6.
Diana formation, Roger, and you're squawking at this moment?
3632 inbound holding.
Roger.
Police just request to right turn westbound.
Yeah, that is approved.
Rotterdam, Diana 3 flight, leaving your frequency, how copy? Rotterdam, Diana 3 flight, leaving your frequency, how copy?
Rotterdam approach, Diana 1 in a blind, switching Amsterdam info.
Diana Redskid will relay. Rotterdam approach, snel Air Force 1.
Air Force 1 on.
Roger, we're almost clear of the Valkenburg control zone. We would like to climb flight level 200 inbound low 1 in.
Rotterdam approach, Diana 1 in a blind, switching Amsterdam info.
Diana Redskid will relay. Rotterdam approach, snel Air Force 1.
Air Force 1 on.
Roger, we're almost clear of the Valkenburg control zone. We would like to climb flight level 200 inbound low 1 in.
Harvard formation, check in.
Harvard 2. Harvard 3.
Okay, reach U5 control. This is the Harvard formation calling on 12667.
Rotterdam approach on 12675.
Well, goedemiddag. Harvard formation is approaching Pennis, proceeding to Hoek van Holland voor die Veteranendag over Den Haag. Maintaining 1200 feet and the squawk is 3614.
Formation Roger, see to the holding area.
Harvard formation. Harvard formation, check in.
Harvard 2. Harvard 3.
Okay, reach U5 control. This is the Harvard formation calling on 12667.
Rotterdam approach on 12675.
Well, goedemiddag. Harvard formation is approaching Pennis, proceeding to Hoek van Holland voor die Veteranendag over Den Haag. Maintaining 1200 feet and the squawk is 3614.
Formation Roger, see to the holding area.
Harvard formation. Rotterdam, the Harvard formation has left the holding and is proceeding inbound towards the Valkenburg CTR to a point at Noordwijk aan Zee to enter the pass.
Harvard formation, that is covered.
Richard 2 entering historic hold.
Rotterdam, the Harvard formation has left the holding and is proceeding inbound towards the Valkenburg CTR to a point at Noordwijk aan Zee to enter the pass.
Harvard formation, that is covered.
Richard 2 entering historic hold.
Harvard formation, may switch now to Dutch mail info, nog 30 level teams.
Okay, squawking standby en switching Dutch mail Harvard formation. Bedankt, tot ziens.
Olaf, groetjes, hoi.
Harvard formation, switch 125.32. 125.32, go.
Harvard formation, may switch now to Dutch mail info, nog 30 level teams.
Okay, squawking standby en switching Dutch mail Harvard formation. Bedankt, tot ziens.
Olaf, groetjes, hoi.
Harvard formation, switch 125.32. 125.32, go.
Approach hotel formation.
Hotel formation, good.
And Roger, regarding our last message, we will proceed towards the Valkenburg airfield after the flyby. Request to switch to Valkenburg Tower at own discretion.
That is approved, sir. Verzoek shuffle out to other traffic and I did inform Valkenburg by telephone. They know that you are coming.
Okay, thank you very much. Hotel formation. Approach hotel formation.
Hotel formation, good.
And Roger, regarding our last message, we will proceed towards the Valkenburg airfield after the flyby. Request to switch to Valkenburg Tower at own discretion.
That is approved, sir. Verzoek shuffle out to other traffic and I did inform Valkenburg by telephone. They know that you are coming.
Okay, thank you very much. Hotel formation. approach, hotel formation.
Hotel formation group.
Yeah, the intention for the hotel formation after the fly pass is to proceed low level to the coast, 500 feet below, and thereafter proceed towards Valkenburg.
Hotel formation for the landing in Valkenburg, confirm?
That's affirmative.
Roger, I pass it on.
Thank you. Approach, hotel formation.
Hotel formation group.
Yeah, the intention for the hotel formation after the fly pass is to proceed low level to the coast, 500 feet below, and thereafter proceed towards Valkenburg.
Hotel formation for the landing in Valkenburg, confirm?
That's affirmative.
Roger, I pass it on.
Thank you.
Hotel formation group.
Roger, hotel formation consisting of 2 Lynx helicopters, total 10 POV, and along the coast now approaching the Valkenburg VTR.
Okay, the other one, Fox 3611, hotel formation.
It's affirmative. 3611 and for information, the third helicopter, Lynx helicopter to join information will proceed approximately 10 minutes behind.
Roger, clear up seat and 1023 proceed to the holding area.
1023, clear to proceed towards the holding area. Hotel formation.
Mind out of traffic.
Local hotel formation.
Hotel formation group.
Roger, hotel formation consisting of 2 Lynx helicopters, total 10 POV, and along the coast now approaching the Valkenburg VTR.
Okay, the other one, Fox 3611, hotel formation.
It's affirmative. 3611 and for information, the third helicopter, Lynx helicopter to join information will proceed approximately 10 minutes behind.
Roger, clear up seat and 1023 proceed to the holding area.
1023, clear to proceed towards the holding area. Hotel formation.
Mind out of traffic.
Local hotel formation. Hotel approach the hotel formation. Call sign Hotel 2 is now joining us from the north along the coast, 500 below.
Hotel formation, Roger.
Hotel approach the hotel formation. Call sign Hotel 2 is now joining us from the north along the coast, 500 below.
Hotel formation, Roger.
Rotterdam approach, Kilo 1, single F-16, 10 miles to the west of Den Haag, squawking 3610, 1500 feet.
And if also was killer, confirm?
Kilo 1, single F-16.
Roger, and join the holding with the other aircraft, please.
Kilo 1 and negative, will be making a photo shoot of all the jets and will fly past the formation, our navigation.
Let's copy, sir.
Kilo 1. Rotterdam approach, Kilo 1, single F-16, 10 miles to the west of Den Haag, squawking 3610, 1500 feet.
And if also was killer, confirm?
Kilo 1, single F-16.
Roger, and join the holding with the other aircraft, please.
Kilo 1 and negative, will be making a photo shoot of all the jets and will fly past the formation, our navigation.
Let's copy, sir.
Kilo 1. Nav 49, killer is passing high aspect on your left side. Visual. Nav 49, killer is passing high aspect on your left side. Visual.
Killer posted for the time information.
Killer is catching up from the 6, about 10 miles.
Roger. Killer posted for the time information.
Killer is catching up from the 6, about 10 miles.
Roger.
Mitchell formation, Kilo 1.
Go.
Mitchell formation, here, squawk.
Squawk 3617.
Kilo 1, visual, your left 10 o'clock, 1 mile, joining up on the right wing for the photo shoot.
Rotterdam, the Netherlands Air Force 51, Netherlands Air Force 11, we just left the holding for our flyby.
5111, copy, clear to proceed.
Clear.
Mitchell formation, Kilo 1.
Go.
Mitchell formation, here, squawk.
Squawk 3617.
Kilo 1, visual, your left 10 o'clock, 1 mile, joining up on the right wing for the photo shoot.
Rotterdam, the Netherlands Air Force 51, Netherlands Air Force 11, we just left the holding for our flyby.
5111, copy, clear to proceed.
Clear.
Mitchell 1, south of the Moerdijk. Roger, Mitchell 1.
Mitchell 2 checking in, proceeding to the historic hold 1000 feet.
Mitchell 1, south of the Moerdijk.
Roger, Mitchell 1.
Mitchell 2 checking in, proceeding to the historic hold 1000 feet.
Nav 11, Kilo 1.
Nav 11, go ahead.
Nav 11, push uniform 387175. Visual your right, 4 o'clock, 1 mile level.
Roger, 387175.
Nav 11, kilo 1.
Nav 11, go ahead.
Nav 11, push uniform 387175. Visual your right, 4 o'clock, 1 mile level.
Roger, 387175.
Air Force 11, switch now to Amsterdam information, 119.17.
Roger, for the Air Force 11, confirm 119.17. Roger, switching.
Air Force 11, switch now to Amsterdam information, 119.17.
Roger, for the Air Force 11, confirm 119.17. Roger, switching. Diana 01, that was Air Force 11.
That's Air Force 11, Diana 01, go ahead.
11 is established in our holding pattern together with the Netherlands Air Force 51.
Thank you.
Diana 01, Netherlands Air Force 11.
That's Air Force 11, Diana 01, go ahead.
11 is established in our holding pattern together with the Netherlands Air Force 51.
Thank you.
And Rotterdam approach the NAV 49 with an information for the flight after the memorial flight. Can you ready to copy?
Yes, 49, I do have a flight plan for you to Canada, but go ahead.
Okay, that's it. We'll after the flyby, we'll proceed back to the holding point, and then we are ready to pick up the clearance for an altitude inbound FL.
Okay, just agree with me that when you're ready in the display on your way to the holding pattern, give me a call and I will arrange clearance for you to Canada.
Okay, copy that. That will be about at time 1135. And Rotterdam approach the NAV 49 with an information for the flight after the memorial flight. Can you ready to copy?
Yes, 49, I do have a flight plan for you to Canada, but go ahead.
Okay, that's it. We'll after the flyby, we'll proceed back to the holding point, and then we are ready to pick up the clearance for an altitude inbound FL.
Okay, just agree with me that when you're ready in the display on your way to the holding pattern, give me a call and I will arrange clearance for you to Canada.
Okay, copy that. That will be about at time 1135. And approach the Air Force 11 is Valkenburg open.
Air Force 11, Valkenburg is open, but I have approval to cross the airspace, so you make the seat from south to north, so goes like 1000.
Roger, remaining this frequency, call you leaving.
Air Force 49, radar contact, climb, maintain 3000.
Time 3000. And approach the Air Force 11 is Valkenburg open.
Air Force 11, Valkenburg is open, but I have approval to cross the airspace, so you make the seat from south to north, so goes like 1000.
Roger, remaining this frequency, call you leaving.
Air Force 49, radar contact, climb, maintain 3000.
Time 3000. And Rotterdam, Netherlands Air Force 49 Heavy, request to climb.
Air Force 49er, change transponder into 2140, proceed direct to Repsol.
2140 and altitude for Repsol?
Initially 3000, 1023.
3000, 1023.
That's your present position.
We are 20 miles, no, we're beam Maasvlakte.
Right.
And Rotterdam, Netherlands Air Force 49 Heavy, request to climb.
Air Force 49er, change transponder into 2140, proceed direct to Repsol.
2140 and altitude for Repsol?
Initially 3000, 1023.
3000, 1023.
That's your present position.
We are 20 miles, no, we're beam Maasvlakte.
Right.
Rotterdam approach, the Netherlands Air Force 49 Heavy.
49 Heavy, Rotterdam Groep.
Yeah, squawking 3631, 1500 feet, the Beach Boss. Request flight following, staying 1500 feet all the time for the memorial flight as flagged.
You're proceeding by the holding area?
Yeah, one turn at the holding and then we push inbound on time.
Can you take your transponder code at this time?
That's 3631.
Roger, we have you on radar, you proceed 1500 feet above TMC.
Roger, requesting traffic info, got traffic on the right hand side, no Joyco altitude, and we are cash equipped, sir.
Yes, okay, as far as I can see, there's no traffic right hand side, 5 miles, traffic at 1600, be approximate right now.
Okay, we're blind, but we got them on tickets. Rotterdam approach, the Netherlands Air Force 49 heavy.
49 heavy, Rotterdam go.
Yeah, squawking 3631, 1500 feet, the Beach Boss. Request flight following, staying 1500 feet all the time for the memorial flight as correct.
Yeah, roger, you're proceeding by the holding area?
Yeah, one turn at the holding and then we push inbound on time.
Okay, can you press on the code at this time?
That's 3631.
Roger, we have you on radar, please proceed to 1500 feet above TMC.
But requesting traffic info, got traffic on the right hand side, no Joyco altitude, and we gas equipped, sir.
Yes, okay. As far as I can see, there's no traffic on your track on the right hand side, 5 miles, traffic at 1600, be approximate right now.
Okay, we're blind, but we got them on tickets.
Okay. Airbus 49er, full Amsterdam on 125.75.
Roger, 125.75. Thank you for your cooperation, bye-bye.
Welcome, have a good flight. Air Force 11 on request for Falkenberg to cross along the coast at 1500 due to information of links.
1-1, that is copied, climbing 1500, remaining at the coastline.
Air Force 49er, full Amsterdam on 125.75.
Roger, 125.75. Thank you for your cooperation, bye-bye.
Welcome, have a good flight. Air Force 11 on request for Falkenberg to cross along the coast at 1500 due to information of links.
1-1, that is copied, climbing 1500, remaining at the coastline.
Rotterdam, go ahead.
49er, you're on your way to the display area?
Even?
Roger. Don't have radio contact anymore, that's fine.
Alright. Rotterdam, go ahead.
49er, you're on your way to the display area?
Even?
Roger. Don't have radio contact anymore, that's fine.
Alright.
I'm approaching Air Force 51.
Also?
The 51 position is now coasting to the south, following the coast to the south, position is now Hoek van Holland. Proceeding via back to Eindhoven, and we had no contact anymore until 12675.
Yeah, you may leave this frequency for this mail info. Tot ziens.
Ziens en switching to decimal, bedankt.
Rotterdam, the electric service leaving this frequency.
I'm approaching Air Force 51.
Also?
The 51 position is now coasting to the south, following the coast to the south, position is now Hoek van Holland. Proceeding via back to Eindhoven, and we had no contact anymore until 12675.
Yeah, you may leave this frequency for this mail info. Tot ziens.
Ziens en switching to decimal, bedankt.
Rotterdam, the electric service leaving this frequency.
Rotterdam approaching and Air Force 51.
Air Force 1 for full Amsterdam further 123, that's coming 85.
12385, President, for 20 Rotterdam, Netherlands Air Force 51. Rotterdam approaching and Air Force 51.
Air Force 1 for full Amsterdam further 123, that's coming 85.
12385, President, for 20 Rotterdam, Netherlands Air Force 51.
We'll make information, check it, Victor.
Welcome to one.
Omega 2. All right, clear. Falkenberg Tower, I'll make information.
Omega information, this is Rotterdam approach on the frequency 2, correction 126.675.
Okay, copy that. I'll make information with 12 Anthony for the frequency for the veterans day, or just inside Falkenberg CTR proceed to the west, going up to the flyby.
Okay, Omega information, please proceed along the CTR Falkenberg, mind other traffic to the holding area as well. I will give the correspondence to Falkenberg.
Yeah, roger, we'll go to you. We'll make information. We'll make information, check it, Victor.
Welcome to one.
Omega 2. All right, clear. Falkenberg Tower, I'll make information.
Omega information, this is Rotterdam approach on the frequency 2, correction 126.675.
Okay, copy that. I'll make information with 12 Anthony for the frequency for the veterans day, or just inside Falkenberg CTR proceed to the west, going up to the flyby.
Okay, Omega information, please proceed along the CTR Falkenberg, mind other traffic to the holding area as well. I will give the correspondence to Falkenberg.
Ja, Roger, we'll go over make a flight.
Diana 1, Redskin.
Redskin, Diana 1, go ahead.
Redskin says fragged, hotel formation, fragged, -1. The third one is trying to catch up. Nothing special to report.
Redskin, Diana, thank you.
Diana 1, Redskin.
Redskin, Diana 1, go ahead.
Redskin says fragged, hotel formation, fragged, -1. The third one is trying to catch up. Nothing special to report.
Redskin, Diana, thank you.
Redskin information on this?
Safe, Redskin 5-1, go ahead.
Okay, you may pick up Sierra and then intend to pick up the river to the east, over?
Yeah, that is safe. My sister ship is already with Rotterdam approach and coordinating.
Okay, and you clear the fleet 1000 to below.
Copied 1000 to below, the Redskin 5-1 is proceeding, cash fix exchange for Rotterdam.
You're now talking to Rotterdam approach, remain on this street.
Ah, roger, sorry about that, maintain.
Octavia 5077, call Amsterdam on the frequency 123.8.
Diana.
385 from Octavia 5077, away. Diamond check, VHF.
4, 5, 6.
And Rotterdam approach, the Nels Air Force on 1.
11 go.
Roger, we're now a single ship. We will remain at 1000 feet, proceeding coastwise via the Valkenburg control zone to the north.
Redskin, Air Force 11.
Rotterdam approach, Diamond formation.
Diamond 20 go.
Request to fly through the CTR north to south, 1000 feet.
And you mean the Rotterdam CTR confirmed?
Confirm.
Paper feet 1000 feet. Diamond formation 1023, my information of helicopter as well.
Diamond's cleared and welcome.
Redskin information on this?
Safe, Redskin 5-1, go ahead.
Okay, you may pick up Sierra and then intend to pick up the river to the east, over?
Yeah, that is safe. My sister ship is already with Rotterdam approach and coordinating.
Okay, and you clear the fleet 1000 to below.
Copied 1000 to below, the Redskin 5-1 is proceeding, cash fix exchange for Rotterdam.
You're now talking to Rotterdam approach, remain on this street.
Ah, roger, sorry about that, maintain.
Octavia 5077, call Amsterdam on the frequency 123.8.
Diana.
385 from Octavia 5077, away. Diamond check, VHF.
4, 5, 6.
And Rotterdam approach, the Nels Air Force on 1.
11 go.
Roger, we're now a single ship. We will remain at 1000 feet, proceeding coastwise via the Valkenburg control zone to the north.
Redskin, Air Force 11.
Rotterdam approach, Diamond formation.
Diamond 20 go.
Request to fly through the CTR north to south, 1000 feet.
And you mean the Rotterdam CTR confirmed?
Confirm.
Paper feet 1000 feet. Diamond formation 1023, my information of helicopter as well.
Diamond's cleared and welcome.
And Rotterdam, Redskin information, go.
Yeah, Redskin information, I understand after the flyby you will, your request is to proceed by the CTR of Rotterdam, confirm?
Safe, my request is proceed via Sierra to the Maas route to the east.
Okay, just give a call after the display before entering the Rotterdam CTR due to possible traffic. Sure.
Yeah, Redskin, good copy. And Rotterdam, Redskin information, go.
Yeah, Redskin information, I understand after the flyby you will, your request is to proceed by the CTR of Rotterdam, confirm?
Safe, my request is proceed via Sierra to the Maas route to the east.
Okay, just give a call after the display before entering the Rotterdam CTR due to possible traffic. Sure.
Yeah, Redskin, good copy.
Rotterdam approach, Redskin 5 information.
Redskin 5 information, go.
Redskin 5, 1 formation, flight of 2 Apache helicopters 40 will be inbound for the holding area.
Redskin 5 information to the holding area, might have the traffic already over there.
5 information. Rotterdam approach, Redskin 5 information.
Redskin 5 information, go.
Redskin 5, 1 formation, flight of 2 Apache helicopters 40 will be inbound for the holding area.
Redskin 5 information to the holding area, might have the traffic already over there.
5 information.
Rotterdam approach, Redskin. Redskins clear the Rotterdam CTR east-southeast, cash fix exchange for Dutch Mill.
Redskin, please stay through, tot ziens.
Tot ziens, thanks for koop. Rotterdam approach, Redskin. Redskins clear the Rotterdam CTR east-southeast, cash fix exchange for Dutch Mill.
Redskin,
approved, tot ziens.
Tot ziens, thanks for the call.